Hey guys, welcome back to Thonaz Aviation. Today, I'm trying to land on the aircraft carrier with the F18, one of the greatest planes to land on aircraft carriers. So let's see if I can land the F18 on the aircraft carrier. Let's start. As you can see, the aircraft carrier is right there. I hope you can see it.
Follow the ball. ILS 108.10. Heading 36. You're low. You're low.
As you can see, the ATC of the aircraft carrier is talking to me. They say that I'm low, but I don't think that I'm low. I think that I'm the right height to land.
You're low.
I don't know why the ATC of the aircraft carrier says that I'm low. I'm really at the best height possible.
You're low. You're low. You're low. You're low.
Let's see at the map. So I'm perfectly aligned.
You're low.
Let's try to land the F18. Oh my god.
You're low.
I can see clearly the runway on the carrier.
You're low.
Hope I can land it. I've got the hook out, the gears are down, also the flaps. Can I land it? Let's see. As you can see, I've got the hook down. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Oh my. Let's see.
Wave off.
Oh my god. Oh my.
Wave off.
Oh my god, it's so difficult. Oh my god. I landed, but I think that was way too hard. I think in real life the suspension would be broken because it was way too hard, like way too hard. Now I should get the hook up and go find a place to park the F18. I think here it would be a great parking for the F18.
To Juliet, Romeo, resume on navigation. Resume on navigation.
As you can see, it's full of other planes. A helicopter is following us. There are crew also doing things with the planes, like checking if they're ready to fly. I'm going to park over here. I hope I don't fall into the sea. So right now returning to park. I think that's a great position to park the F18. I'm pulling the brakes. And now I'm parked. That was the video, guys. Like and subscribe if you liked the video. And see you on the next video. Bye.